running Kimono here. So, some really, really great little deals today over at Walgreens, including 66 cents per item, courtesy of the Fetch Rewards app. I mean, that's fantastic. We have some free Gillette King C, if you can swing this deal. Very inexpensive fabric softener, free equal, and just a whole lot more to talk about. Special hi to my mom if she's watching, and it's about 60 degrees out here. Still a really nice September. And right over here we have my mom's favorite, Daisy. Want to say hi? Hi! And I do have two other cats, but Pumpkin is the star of the show now. But this is Daisy, the original coupon cat. You want to say hi? Okay, she wants me to start off with the video. Okay, guys, so this morning in our digital coupons folder, there was supposed to be a 3 off of 2 digital for Tresemme, and guess what? We got a $2 coupon. So I passed on that deal. I am not going to do it unless a 3 off of 2 appears. I like to get free shampoo, not shampoo that I'm paying out of pocket for. So I gave that one a big old pass. If one of those fancy dancy Unilever inserts should, you know, cross my path this week, I might go and do one of those deals. But if it's not in this little paw, I'm not doing it, because I'd rather get my shampoo for a moneymaker during a beauty event than pay even 50 cents. So that's a disappointment, because it's in their flyer. They're supposed to be a 3 off of 2, but they gave us a 2 off of 1. So they have a little bit of explaining to do. I'm very sure if you guys called customer service and complained, even if you went and did the Tresemme deal with IBOTTA, they would still credit you that 1,000 points, because it says in their ad they're supposed to be a 3 off of 2 digital coupon manufacturer. Okay, so I know a lot of you went out yesterday after you watched my Saturday. Okay, so I know a lot of you went out yesterday after you watched my Saturday video on, you know, run and go do these deals now. These cups were like 29 cents, something really cheap, and look, it's gonna like hypnotize you. Many of you are reporting that $2 coupon is no longer attaching to these cheap cups. Word to the wise. I know a lot of you got in on the deal, and congratulations, but yeah, it is what it is. So just be warned. Because I haven't had many giveaways in the last couple of weeks, I thought I would do a different one today. I went to Wendy's a couple days ago and I bought this, which is a little book of Frosties. So you get these junior Frosties, which is a smaller one, but they put 5 little coupons in here for Frosties over at Wendy's. I don't know if you guys like Wendy's or not, but it's valid from the 21st of September right till the 31st. So I thought maybe, you know, one of you might enjoy it. No purchase necessary, but you can go and get a little Frosty, and there's 5 in this little booklet. So if you want to be in the running to win this, what you have to do is in the comments, let me know where you're from. Say you're from Columbus, Ohio. Write Columbus, Ohio shopper, and that is your entry. 1 entry per person, and I will pick the 1 winner for this on Monday, September the 21st, to win this little booklet of Frosty coupons. How fun is that? Okay, so the first deal that I did, and I did pay cash for my deals today, because I had one of those, you know, like they sometimes show up at the beginning of the month, like do 8 transactions of $20 a pop and then get back 5,000 points. And I did 4 last week for the beauty club event. So I was too short from hitting 5,000 points. So I paid cash for this one because that was a $20 haul. And then I paid cash for my Gillette Big C, and then I got my 5,000 points for that. So you could use points and still get your register rewards and get the fetch points for this. But I decided to pay cash to get my you know, do 8 transactions, get 5,000 points. Okay, so this morning we had a 4 off of 2 digital show up for the Colgate, plus a 5 off of 3 for the Crest. And this unfortunately didn't have a rebate or a digital coupon. However, the Fetch Rewards app had 75 cents back when you bought 1 Scott, and a bigger progressive one that when you buy $20 of Scott, Kimberly-Clark, you're going to be given back $2. So this was totally worth it to get these 2 toilet papers. So jogging you through the math of what I got here, I also used my 10 times every day for this transaction. And paying cash, I'm gonna get it. So the 2 Scotts on a buy one get one 50% off, $7.50. These two Colgates, they're $2.99 a pop, so that's $5.98. And the Crest is, they're $3 each, but for this one to use that 5 off of 3, you have to buy 3 of them. So for 3 of them, that's $9 utilizing the 5 off of 3, and it attached beautifully to this scope one. So for this basket, guys, the 3 Crests, the 2 Colgates, the 2 Scotts, it's $22.48. I had my 10 times every day loaded digitally to my store card, plus I had the 5 off of 3 for this one, the 4 off of 2 for this one. So I had to pay $13.48 cash out of pocket, plus my tax, and then I got back 2,000 points for this basket, plus a $4 register reward for the Crest, and then I got a $2 register reward back from the Colgate. And then I photographed my receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, and I got back 850 points, which is 85 cents back. So the new total for this basket after all of that magic is $4.63 for the 7 items, or 66 cents each. Like, for that, I mean, come on. This is just a fantastic little basket. So if you might have had one of those weird sort of like, do 8 hauls, do 5 hauls, get back 5,000 points. You get that at the beginning of the month. This would definitely be like a great little deal to do with that. So I was just, you know, and then this paid off for the next one. So it was just fantastic.
Okay, guys, so as you can see, I got back 825 points for Fetch. 1,000 points for Fetch is a buck. So, I mean, how fantastic is that? You basically photograph your receipts for certain items like Scott's toilet paper, paper towel, or even Kleenex. You get extra points because it's part of their catalog. And they have a bigger progressive one, which is spending 20, getting back 2. So I'm like halfway there. This is a tremendous app. If you have not signed up, sign up today. Link and referral code in the notes. And when you photograph your first receipt, it could be a pack of gum you bought last week or an Egg McMuffin that you got this morning. You're going to be given 2,000 points, which is $2. Gift cards start at 3. It's a tremendous app. Link in the notes. And don't forget to use my referral code. It is a tremendous app. And for this paper towel, I mean, to get back 82 cents, I mean, that's just absolutely winning, especially now when we're really trying to build up our stockpiles with paper goods.
So the next deal that we have is with the Gillette King C. Now, they had something in their flyer last week, which was when you spend 20, get back 10,000 points, which is a 50% return on investment, which is really great. This is more expensive. It's just, you know, it's expensive stuff. So I used my 10 times every day. Plus I also had that, you know, do 8 transactions, get 5,000 points, and I would definitely hit it with this purchase. So for this fancy dancy razor, it is $9.99. And then for the beard and face wash, it's $12.99. So the total for these two is $22.98. I had I believe a $3 for this one and a $4 for this one, digitals that showed up this morning and high value ones. So the new total is $15.98. Now I got back 10,000 points for spending 20. I got back 2,000 points for my 10 times every day. Plus I also got back an extra 5,000 points as I finished my mission to do 8 transactions this month to get back 5,000 points. $20 per trip, so that's why I got it. So it made it free plus $1.02 moneymaker.
Now, I know a lot of you, if you don't have that 8 times multiplier and you're not on the same page as me, alternatively, if you might have one of these, or a digital counterpart that looks identical to this, which is 5,000 when you spend 20, or, you know, something like that, you can absolutely use it for the Gillette King C deal, and I think it's just a tremendous one when you can have like a couple layers of savings and get something that's so expensive down to like a dollar money maker. So good luck with that one, guys.
With Christmas just around the corner, if you're in my sort of situations where you have a bunch of brother-in-laws or some special guy in your life and you just want to make like a cute little basket, you could really do it on the cheap with this really nice stuff from Walgreens. And I just think this is a great little transaction, and I love when the high value digitals for the Gillette King C show up, because I mean, this is a super nice thing to gift, and it looks like you've spent a lot more than you actually did. So a little bit of hocus pocus magic there. Okay, so I also picked up 3 of these Downies, and they are $2.99 each. The retail price for like a little fabric softener this size, because I looked at the stickers today, it's $4.99. Holy smokes, that's expensive. So at $2.99 for 3 of these, that's $8.97. We have a $1 coupon from the Retail Me Not of September the 13th, utilizing one of those. I only used one because the verbiage on the coupon is super strict, like 1 per household per lifetime or else. So I didn't want any trouble. So the new subtotal after that is $7.97. I threw in 5,000 points. I mean, I was so rich after that, I had to, or it would have been embarrassing. It would have been rude. So I paid $2.97 out of pocket, and then I got back this $3 register reward.
Now, just to show you guys in that Downy scenario, there's also these bounce dryer sheets, and then the Tide Simply Liquid and the pods that are also included. So if you wanted to mix and match or get one of each or do something a little different, it is your choice. Or if you just wanted to do like me and go boring and just get 3 like items, you can also do the same thing. So just to show you, there's a bunch of different items that are part of this promotion this week.
Now, guys, I could have thrown in these register rewards, but I wanted to keep them for the video to show you that it actually printed, because I was doing all my transactions back to back to back. So basically this was a loss of 5,000 points, but I'm not, you know, it's fine because I got this, and I will definitely try and do a different deal utilizing you know, some of these register rewards. So what I would do for the next transaction, just to jog you through this if you're not sure, if you have these 2 plus one of those $1 coupons for this from the Retail Me Not, so grabbing 3 of them again is $8.97, using one of those coupons plus $6 of these, you would pay $1.97 or roll 2,000 points and then get back a $3 register reward. Make sure though, quick little lesson for you, you don't use this in another transaction for this, or this will not print again. That is the critical key of register rewards. You can use different ones, but you can't use the same one that's printing on the same item, just to note that. But what a fantastic little deal, and this is the sort of stuff that family always wants and needs, and I'm kind of running low on all of this right now, so I was delighted to get a whole bunch more of these, and I'm gonna do this deal again with my money. Okay, the last little deal, and I did talk about this yesterday, it is on these equal sweetener packs. They're $1.99 on a buy one, get one for free. So picking up 2 of them, guys, that's $1.99. We have $1.50 off, one in the Retail Me Not of August the 30th. So utilizing one of those, you'll pay 49 cents out of pocket. And then IBOTTA has 50 cents back for each of them, so you'll get back $1, making it free, plus a 51-cent moneymaker. I mean, free sweetener is the best kind of So anyway, you slice it or dice it, guys. This is a great little week over at Walgreens. Load up on some of these meat and potato items. If you're gonna do a bit of fanciness, I mean, it's just fantastic. And it's any way you look at it, it's just a really great week for some deals. If anything should pop up, you know, right till Friday, I'll make subsequent videos. But like, I'm really okay with some of these deals. It's just some pretty good savings. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.